y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, we're in the kitchen, but we're not doing a recipe, we're cleaning. And I'm going to show you the difference on a white cast iron sink with the Barkeeper's Friend on this side and the Ajax on this side of my sink. Let's use both on each side and see the results we get, which one works the best. So let's get to cleaning. Today I'm going to show you this that might help you save time and money on knowing which one to buy that does work the best. We're going to be using Ajax on this side, and on this side we're going to be using the Barkeeper's Friend. They're the same size can, almost the same price. The Barkeeper's Friend is just about 30 cents more, but we're going to see which one actually does do the best, so you don't waste your money. On this side, we'll start with the Barkeeper's Friend. That's probably about a big teaspoon. And on this side, we're going to add the Ajax, the same amount, and see which one does the best. I'm going to be using just this old green scrubber. Knowing which cleaner to buy, and that does do the best, you won't have to use as much, so that will save you time and money by not having to scrub it twice and knowing which one to spend your money on. And before I start the other side with the Ajax, I'm going to take this somewhere else and rinse it out good, because I don't want to mix the two together. Okay, y'all see how all the black little marks, like over here, and the other one, it had a lot of these little places on that side, and that's from my cast iron. Okay, now let's see over here. The Barkeeper's Friend has got almost all those little black marks up. It cleans the drain good. Now let's rinse this one. Okay, that's the Barkeeper's Friend. It took almost all the little black places out of my cast iron sink. This is a white cast iron. Now I'm going to go to rinse my sponge out in another sink, and we're going to do, on this side I'll rinse it out in this sink before I add my scrubber to my Ajax. I'm going to rinse it real good because I don't want to mix the ingredients together, because we're testing which one's the best cleaner for your money, to save us money and time. Okay, now let's do the Ajax side. Now let's rinse the Ajax side, just like we did the other one. The barkeeper's friend. Okay, this is the Ajax side. And if you look real close, you can still see that little bit of brown on that cast iron. It still has some of the specks. And there's like the little black mark still. You can barely see it from that my cast iron. Okay, and here's the side that we used the bars. Okay, and here's the barkeeper's friend side. I don't see as many little black marks from the iron skillet. And I don't see that brown shadow like over here that you see in the Ajax side. See right there? So those are the results we got from the barkeeper's friend versus the Ajax. Overall, I would go with the barkeeper's friend. I believe it cleans the best for your white cast iron sinks, and it also says you can use it on pots and pans. There's the cast iron sink, just like mine. Over the Ajax. So that's our results. The left side is cleaner than the right side using barkeeper's friend. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching our video on barkeeper's friend versus Ajax.